Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Today, gonna make me breakfast. This is what I've been eating recently. Just a nice selection of fruit with some yogurt. So let's have a look. I've got three types of different grapes there. Banana, apple, a tangerine, mandarin or clementine, whatever you want, something like that, a satsuma. Kiwi, bit of nectarine, papaya, a few walnuts which I like in it, and some honey. Super easy, give it a mix, we're done. So I've got my papaya in there, my chopped banana, my grapes, three different colours in there, kiwi, peach or nectarine, and then my mandarin or satsuma and apple. I don't actually mind all the skin on, some people take it off, I don't mind it there at all. Some nuts. Now if you want, give that a mix, put some lemon juice on it or some apple juice and you've got yourself a fruit salad. For me, I'm going to add in some plain yogurt, and if you wanted you could be using a Greek yogurt, which I'm not today, and then some honey. In that goes. I'm going to mix that, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, there you go. I mean, there's loads there, but I'll go through that in a day. Do I miss bacon, egg, sausages? Big fry up? Yeah, I do. But this is way more healthy, isn't it? Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon. Lots of love.